Hi guys, so this is going to be the very first video on Tkinter, and in this video I have discussed some basic concepts like what is Tkinter, what is the basic structure of a Tkinter program. So let's start the video and discuss these concepts. So what is Tkinter? Tkinter is a Python GUI framework. It is used to build application on different platforms. Like we can build application on Linux, on Windows, on Mac operating system. Now we will see that how GUI is created in Python using Tkinter. So as we know that in a computer system we have a hardware, and over it we are running an operating system, and over it we are running a Python interpreter in which we write our computer programs so that we can control our hardware, and Python is controlling hardware with the help of an operating system. If we wish to build the graphical user interface using Python, then this structure is not sufficient. So here we introduce a fourth module, which is TCL and TK. Here TCL stands for Tool Command Language and TK stands for Toolkit. Toolkit is basically used for building graphical user interface, and Tool Command Language is a scripting language with its own interpreter. But the thing is here TCL TK is not allowing Python to use it or accessing its services. For this we introduced a fifth module and named it as Tkinter. So now Tkinter is accessing the TCL/TK services in Python for building a graphical user interface. So as a developer we have to just import Tkinter library in our Python script and make further graphical user interface. We have no directly concerned with TCL/TK. So this is how Tkinter help you to build a graphical user interface in Python. So in structure of Tkinter program, first we import the Tkinter library using Python syntax from Tkinter imports direct. Then we create a main window, and then we add widgets to app. This means that we add labels, we add buttons, we add images and entry boxes to our app. Then we run it using a main event loop. So I take an example of simple Tkinter program. In this I have first import the TK module, then I have create a main window, and then I add a label to it, and then I run it using a main event loop. So this is a hello world example of Tkinter program. So here is another example of Tkinter program using OOP. So this is the same hello world program, but we are using classes here. So in the same pattern I have import first TK module, Tkinter library, and then I have create a main window, then I add a label to it, then I run it using a main event loop. So I would prefer this OOP approach as the code look good and it is easy to manage when you are creating more than one window. So I would follow this approach in my tutorials also. So I have mentioned here some basic Tkinter widgets like labels. It is used to display text or image. Here are buttons, combo box, entry is used to take input, and radio buttons. There are many more Tkinter widgets. There are total 19 Tkinter widgets. So I have given the link in description. You can check all the Tkinter widgets on that link. So I take an example of my own software named as password generator. You can check it. I have given the link in description. So here if we see some basic widgets, like I have display an image using label, display text using label, take input from the user as a combo box for length of characters, take input for type of password as a radio buttons, display password and its key using entry, and then I have provide two functions, generate password and save key using buttons. So these are the basic widgets we can use in our Tkinter program. This is the simple example. This is the simple widgets I have used in my app. So that's all for now. If you have any question, comment below, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.